Hi everyone, I hope you all doing good. Welcome back to the Gurdiksha channel for the playlist of statistics. Hey guys, we already learned so much of topics in the previous introduction parts like history of statistics, statistics and math, outline of statistics, statistical terms or statistics or difference between statistics and mathematical terms, job options, and we also learnt about some job professions also. In this video, we are moving one step forward, learning statistics for data science. People nowadays are really want to learn eagerly about data science. Our best relators such as for data science are Visitify Data Science with a free preview course they are offering, NPTEL online courses, datakind.org, Coursera, EDX, IBM, Allied Data Science, Harvard Data Science, and Kaggle for data science competitions after you finish your data science course. If you are a fresher at data science, go to Wikipedia and search for data science. Go to your browser and search for data science. There find you related search sites. Here we are able to get you some topics related with statistics as well as probability also. If you want to learn more, please subscribe our Good Diksha channel and you learn a lot more. Let's begin with statistics. Once again, recall the definition of statistics. Statistics is the discipline that concerns the data collection, organization, interpretation, and presentation of data. It is also the learning from data. In upcoming videos, we are likely to give you some topics about population, sample, data and its types, level of measurements, histogram, mean, median, mode, and 25 plus topics we are going to cover in these videos. Let's begin with our first topic, named as population. When we have a population, see this picture, we have different types of different countries and different continents. We have so many people working with so many professions. When coming to the statistics, population is a set of similar items or events which is of interest for some question or experiment. If take an example of India, we have different type of works and type of labor doing different works. For example, a software engineer, a government officer, a tea stall doing different jobs with related with their professions. When have when have take any information from them, we have to question them, what is your job and what can we do with this and what is the motto of this work and what can we do with these works. uh, it's also refers a entire group of people or objects or maybe a measurements also. When coming to the sample is a just part of a population. Here we see the image, which you see the image at here. In this image we are taking the sample. In each row there are 4 members. We are taking from first row and second row 2 and 5 members, that is a sample. And from two and second and third row we are taking eighth member and 10th member, it is also a sample. Simply here we go with sample. Sample is a just part of population, a small part of something used to represent whole or to learn something about the whole part. If the mom is cooking food right ahead here in this picture, she used it to taste the salt or salt or sweetness or maybe chill or any pepper sauce tastes. She used it to pick a spoon of sample and she takes the entire food. Here, same to same, the sample is represent from the entire population. Here, the entire population taking a entire food, and sample is a just spoon. Can go with also examples like a natural number set is a part of integers, numbers, etc. Doctors take blood sample test. This is for urine test or blood group test or maybe a serum creatine test. Uh, 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 Recently, they are also taking plasma for COVID positive or not. We can do also a paint, average of weight and height, age, etc. Coming to the paint, they collect colors and do mixing those colors to get one more beautiful resultant color like pale, dark. They, let's move to types of data. Here, types of data, we have two different, like one is categorical and numerical. Coming to the categorical, it represents the group of categories. While coming to the numerical, it is divided into two more parts like discrete and continuous. Whereas discrete can be usually counted in infinite section. For suppose if you take a natural number set for 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the finite numbers. If you take a n number set, we have impossible to count. That is coming to the continuous point. Okay. Now data. Group of individuals recording to a characteristic is called data. Here we have data called grouped data and ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, the information is available for each and every individual to collected data. Grouped data, the information available in groups or maybe groups arranged in a classical intervals. See here, I'm take the grouped data in a discrete manner. That means also a grouped data. Here I'm taking the serial number 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. The marks are 20, 30, 10, 0 and 5. It may be anything. Here marks represents a frequency count. And coming to the ungrouped data, it's a continuous. Sorry, it's mistaken. There is a grouped data I written it. Let me check. It is ungrouped data. Okay. And here we have a intervals from the 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 70 to 80, 60 to 70, 90 to 100, 80 to 90 like this. We have a frequency to 0 to 10 as 20, 10 to 20 as 30, 20 to 30 as 10, 30 to 40 as 10, 40 to 50. Actually, mm, at school time, they divide grades as like if you have to 40 to 50 A plus 30 to 40 A, 20 to 30 B, 10 to 20 C, and 0 to 10 he will be a fail. They do like that at our childhood time. Thank you. Meet you on next video. If you want to stay here and learn newly, please do subscribe our Guru Diksha channel and get our updates frequently. Have any doubts? Please do mention at our comment section. Do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.